Look at the caramel stretch. Mmm. Mmm, 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 mmm. 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 Look at that caramel pull. Delicious. Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Chef Pam and this is Cooking with Chef and More. We are going to make chocolate candy. We're going to make turtles. Yes guys, turtles. It's almost Valentine's Day, and wouldn't it be nice to make nice chocolate candy for your loved ones or for yourself? Guys, stay with me and let's get busy. And guys, I'm getting ready to toast the pecans. All you want to do is heat them up just until you can start to smell them. And that's it. Move them around in your skillet every now and then. Okay guys, so what we're going to need are caramels. Now you can feel free to make your own caramel, but I find it easier for a quick candy like this just to buy soft caramels. You're going to take your wrappers off of them. Each one needs to be unwrapped, and we're going to melt these. We're just going to simply melt them in the microwave, and to do that we're just going to add a spoon or two of milk to them and let them melt, stirring them up. We also have Nestle Toll House semi-sweet chocolate chunks. You can use chips or chunks. I just grabbed the chunks. You want the semi-sweet for this particular recipe, and we're going to just melt these in the microwave. We have our pecans that we've already toasted up real nice. You want to prepare your pan. You've got it just parchment paper on a cookie sheet, and then you want to lightly spray it with some oil. That's it guys. I'll go ahead and set up my pecans before I did the melting. And what you want to do is you just want to put them in like a little flowerette or something. Put 4 of them together, ends touching, and you want to leave a little space between each one so you'll have room. But I'm going to scoot this over so we can get as many as we can on our tray. And the pecans don't have to be perfect in size or shape. You just want them to be as close to a half of a pecan as possible. Okay guys, we are all done with setting up our pecans, and just make sure that when you buy your pecans you don't buy the salted ones. We don't need the salt in these pecans. Okay guys, so we have our caramel all melted. I did not melt the chocolate. You don't want to melt that at the same time because you don't want one to set. So hopefully I have enough melted, but we'll see. You just want to pour a little bit over each one. Not too much, but enough to get that bite when you bite down into it. Put that back in place there. Okay guys, so look like I had just enough for this amount. That was about a little bit more than half my bag. I will have the exact recipe and everything, all the ingredients and stuff in the description. Okay, so now we're going to let these sit, let the caramel get nice and set in there, and we will melt our chocolate and we'll be back. Okay, so we have our chocolate melted. I'll have how to melt the chocolate and how to melt the caramel in the description as well. Now you just want to go over the top of your turtles with the chocolate. Trying not to get too much on the spoon at a time. Okay guys, now we have to chill these for about 30 minutes at least. We'll be back for our taste test. Okay guys, don't they look amazing already? Yes, quick and easy treat. We'll be back. Okay guys, I have them all plated up now. I actually have 2 whole trays full. I didn't realize I was making that much. Okay guys, let's go ahead and give it a taste test. Y'all know I love candy, right? I don't have a sweet tooth, but I love candy. Let me show you guys the other side too. See, up close, see how they look? Up close, and that's the back side. Okay guys, let's see, let's see. I would bite it, but you guys know that story by now. Uh-oh, dropping, I'm dropping, I'm wasting. Oh my, look at the caramel stretch. Look at that caramel pull. Delicious. And it takes seconds, guys. There's no baking or anything. Oh, quick and easy. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you'll always get my recipes. Give me a thumbs up, leave me some comments, guys, and share me out. Share me out, share me out. There'll be 2 videos at the end of this video. Do me a favor. Take a look at those, and I will see you next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise. Mm.